I'm Mrs. Mapaseka Mukwena, Utukela District Director. The district has 3 CMCs, Beckville, Escort and Mnambiti. Today we are here at the curriculum planning workshop, and as a district we find this workshop highly beneficial, more so because we are envisaging to achieve 95% in 2026 NSC results. The information that we are getting here is very vital for the district in the sense that we have started implementing our district academic improvement plan, but with the networking of various officials, various principals of the schools across the province, we are getting more of their good practices that we want to emulate. We are also getting more of the information that we are going to beef up our programs as well as our activities. We are envisaging to increase our quality pass in the form of distinctions in a number of subjects. We are also envisaging to get bachelors above 50% as a district, and we want to eliminate quantity passes. Though we know that we have some of our schools that are still struggling, we are going to use this information to ensure that we intensify our support to our struggling learners. We intensify our support to our novice educators. We also intensify our support to the schools that are struggling to get out of the category of underperformance. We find this workshop highly beneficial, and we have already forged partnerships with a variety of some stakeholders who are present here. They are also willing to come on board and ensure that they give appropriate support to our district so that we pass all our learners. It is not an easy task, but through the information that we are gaining, through the support that some of the districts have pledged within this workshop, we are sure that the district is going to make a lot of gains, and ultimately we will achieve our target as set, having been pronounced as 95%. So we hope that the department will continuously organize such workshops within every term of the academic year, where there will be reflection of the impact of the workshop for us to be able to know that we are really getting to realizing the vision of our district and contributing to us, ensuring that our province remain as number 1 in terms of quality passes of all learners across the system. Thank you.